Let's take an actual look. What does programmatic at home actually look like? Let's say I'm Target, the retailer, who, by the way, is not a client of ours, but as an example. Let's say I'm Target, and I'm opening stores all over the country. You could go to Adomni.com, register a free account, and instantly have access to 136,000 screens. Most advertisers start with geo-targeting, whether it's state, city, DMA, CBSA, whatever. But for Target, we only care about 10-mile radiuses around each store. You can upload your store lists, your lat long list, any POI list, and now the 136,000 screens becomes 13,000 screens. And the beauty of this platform is that it's not just impressions and numbers, but just like Facebook, you can actually drill down and see the billboards, the bar restaurant screens, the shopping mall screens, all the different media types, the CPMs, the impressions that are available to you, all fully transparent. But one of the beautiful things about out of home is the visual aspect. You could fly in on a map and see every screen, every network that's included in your campaign's targeted list. Click on each of the individual dots, see the CPMs. And for this Lamar billboard, we can actually fly in and look at the street view and understand what is surrounding that billboard and ensure that you want to be advertising there. Full transparency, instantly accessible. But this isn't even the best part. Where we're seeing the craziest results is in the audience targeting. If I'm Target and I want to reach, say, women who shop at Target, as well as the primary competitors to Target, just like Facebook, you can come in here and choose those audience segments, and our algorithms are going to match you up based on real-time, recent mobile location data to the best screens. And now instead of 13,000 screens, there's 2,700 that over-index for the audience you're trying to reach. I mean, it's that easy, guys. A geo and audience-optimized campaign built, planned, and shareable within minutes. But as we all know, anyone who's done a national campaign for out-of-home, it doesn't stop with just the geo and location targeting. It's the last mile of the creative. So let's talk about creative. Out-of-home is different than, say, digital online, where the IAB has a set number of standards. And out-of-home, you've got hundreds of different content sizes. For Target, you would have 63 different size ads that you need to provide for this campaign. What we've done is we've solved the headaches that go with that. Instead of you having to make 63 ads, imagine providing us with one Photoshop vertical and landscape file, and our technology platform will generate all the different ads perfectly sized to the screens that you want and feed them back into your account, sometimes within hours, no more than one business day. So here we're just showing how you start with a background, layer on the logo, layer on the text messaging, and instantly, boom, 63 ads put in your account. Think about that. Think about all the heavy lifting and the headaches that happen at the last kind of mile of launching these campaigns. We've solved for that too, at no extra charge. And what about reports? Real-time KPIs that you can see what you've spent, your CPMs, your impressions, your content that's been delivered. You can see your audience reached. Basically, the Facebook and Google level instantaneous access is now available for out-of-home. You want to do a measurement study? Let's talk about movie lift, place visitation lift. There's all these additional ways that you want to quantify exactly how many more people ended up going to your retail store or to your website. It's now available today. We used to say that buying on Adomni was as easy as booking on Google or Facebook. It's actually now easier. But easy is just half the battle. Ultimately, it's about results. And looking at this platform, and if we unpack it a little bit and think about the data that goes into this and all the different media owners that are connected, some really exciting things happening here.